Hey everybody, I'm here today to just talk about a few things when it comes to taxes. If you are someone who likes to do their own taxes, then this video is for you. So today I want to talk about how you can maximize your tax deductions and credits so that you can lower your taxable income. So the myth that I think that a lot of people assume when it comes to taxes and getting a refund is that you are owed a refund every year. And you're not. So if you filed exempt, that means no federal taxes, no state taxes was taken out of your checks if you're a W-2 employee the entire year. Well, guess what? The government is going to want their money. And they figure out how much you owe them based on how much money you made. So there is a tax table, and you can find this tax table on the IRS.gov website. I'll actually put the link below. So you can figure out how much taxes you owe based on your income yearly, right? Now, for those who don't file exempt, what usually ends up happening is they either have too much taxes taken out or they have the right amount of taxes taken out. But then when they go and file their taxes, they have some credits and deductions that then amounts to them being able to get a refund. Okay, so the name of the game is lower your taxable income. And what that basically means, when you hear someone say taxable income, that means how much tax you pay based on your income. So the deductions and the credits lower your tax bracket. And that means that the more money you make, the higher taxes you have to pay, right? But by maximizing your deduction and your credits, although you made 100K, when you add those deductions and credits, it puts you in a lower tax bracket, which means that although you made 100K, these deductions and credits are going to lower that 100K down so that you don't owe any taxes and then you get that refund, right? And of course, by maximizing your deductions and credits, what that means is that you end up getting a bigger refund or you owe even less, okay? So that is the big thing about taxes. And what I usually like to tell people is if you are a W-2 employee, get yourself a business. Get yourself a business. It doesn't matter what that business is. It could be a side business. It can be you do DoorDash for a few hours during the week, Uber Eats, any of those type of things. You are a 1099 employee. A 1099 employee is a contractor, and you can then say, okay, this is my business. Driving people around, Uber Eats, this is my side business. So you can use those as your business, or you can form an LLC for, let's just say you have a eBay or Etsy shop or something of the sort, and you sell items, you make items and you sell them, right? But to you, you feel like it's a hobby, but technically it can be a business for you. You can turn that hobby into a business. And then those materials that you use to make those items, whether it's you're selling t-shirts or you're doing art or whatever the case may be, or say you're selling digital products, but you pay for subscriptions in order to put those digital products together. Those are now tax write-offs for your business. So although you may be a W-2 employee, you can use those expenses to lower your taxable income. That's right. Okay. So just a few little tips and tricks on how you can maximize your deductions and credits so that you can lower the amount of taxes you owe and get a bigger refund. Go ahead and make sure you subscribe to my channel. Hit that subscribe and like. And if this was helpful for you, share it with somebody else, because sharing is caring. All right. See you guys in the next episode.